Ever wished you could transform those static PDF documents into dynamic, editable PowerPoint presentations? Let's get started first. Let's look at the most common method using online converters. Search for PDF to PPT converter in your web browser, and you'll find a multitude of options. The process typically involves uploading your PDF document, then selecting Convert. After a short processing time, you can download your new PowerPoint file. Be careful when selecting a site and look for sites offering security to ensure your data is protected. Next, we'll walk through the steps in more detail. Open your chosen online PDF to PPT converter website. Locate and click on the Select File or button to upload your PDF file. Once uploaded, you will see the Convert or Convert to PPT button. Click on it to start the conversion process. Give the converter a moment to do its work. It may take around a minute or two depending on your file's complexity and size. After the conversion is complete, you should see the download link, typically labeled Download PPT or similar. Click the download link to retrieve your newly converted PowerPoint file. Now, open the downloaded PowerPoint file in Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides to make edits and customizations. You can modify the text, images, and formatting to tailor your presentation for your specific needs. Remember to review your results to make sure the formatting transferred as you would have liked, and to add in any missing components. And that is how you convert PDFs to PowerPoints.